Oh, Brutus, Brutus, Brutus. What is this? What is this? And how did it get here? How did it get here? I know what it is. It's from Cosy Sheila Ceramics. It's from our friend from the Netherlands. But how did it get here? The doors are locked. The doors are locked. And no postal person could get in here past you. How did it get here? How did it get here? Why is it so sooty? This is my Potter's Journal for December 5th, a gift-giving day in the Netherlands. Okay, a gift, a trade with a friend, Sheila from Cosy Sheila Ceramics. I know, it was Pete. It was Pete. Thank you, Sheila. He has never been here before. I am so glad this arrived safely because it holds so precious a piece of art. And I am so glad because when I saw she had it wrapped in paper, I was so afraid that if a machine caught the paper, the address would have been ripped off. But she took the precaution of sending it through the hands of their beloved Christmas figure. So what could go wrong? What could go wrong? And she took the precaution of putting my address here too, I see now, inside the box. I've been following her for a year now, Cosy Ceramic Sheila. When her icon first appeared on my channel, it just said, I knew it said something, but I didn't know what. There seemed to be a bit of magic to it. So my intrigue started immediately, and I think she's the only YouTuber that I have followed the entire year without missing a single video, even anticipating each one. And we have got tons of bubble wrap, which is what it takes. Oh no. And oh no. Oh no. There's more. There's more. There is way more in here than there is supposed to be. Way more in here than there is supposed to be. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, okay. And here we'll stop with some special treats. Oh, where do we start? You know, some treats past my eyes that I pretended not to see, but we will start here. We will start here and see what we've got. Okay, it looks like the heel of a shoe. Oh, it's a tape measure. She must have saw my video where I had a broken tape measure. And I think I got 30 lidded jars the wrong size because the tape measure was broken on the end. Oh, I don't believe it. Centimeter ruler and inches. Oh, I don't believe it. Thank you so much. Oh, when I tried to measure my piece, I had 2 weeks to find a centimeter ruler. We're rather backwards here and use inches. Oh, there are so many other times I can use this. Oh, I don't believe it. I mean, it's always coming up. Oh, is that nice? And I wouldn't recognize a modern tool. Mine are all inherited, so they don't look like this. Oh, is that nice? Oh, I don't believe it. Oh, well, now it is beginning to feel a lot like Christmas. I have got my tree behind me, still wrapped up. We will get that up for St. Nicholas Day. Okay, we have got the real baker's speculoos here. These are the little windmill cookies made in the molds. We've seen her do stuff with that. We have got these stroopwafel. Okay, she did a canister to hold these. You know, both such simple little treats, but holding so much cultural significance to them. And she even brought that out in her art. She even brought that out in her ceramics. That's why I've been following her, that she's not just making pots and not just making cute pots, but there's always so much more to them. And, you know, this we can open today. Looks like these people have been around since 1892 with an original Holland recipe for, okay, the little toffee, I'm assuming hard candy treats. So before we get into the pottery, okay. Oh, look at that. Already, just a peek of it. Just a little peek. Just a little peek. Oh, look. The precious little bees. All carefully protected. Oh, I don't believe it. Oh, when it's more than you anticipated. I was not expecting that. When it's more than you anticipated, her videos are so beautiful. She makes the videos with music and films them in motion, and they're like miniature little films. They're like little films. So you think that, oh, some of this is all hype built up by the music video that surrounded it. When the piece exceeds the hyped up video, is such a pleasant surprise. Oh, I don't believe it. I know I had discovered her a year ago when she, I think, started watching my videos. I haven't missed a one. I think she went back and watched so many of my old ones. I know she watched my slip trailing, and when I saw her do the slip trailing, I thought, oh, isn't that great? And her technique's so different that I move my hand like this as the wheel spins, but she did it differently. She went in more like, I think, Hannah McAndrews, and did all the swirls by hand. And the heart in the center, and the little dots, the bees. She makes her own stamps. This is one time where she did have a cookie cutter for the bees, but did so much to them to bring them to life. I was worried about the little antenna, but they seem relatively stable. The wings, you know, I'm not one. I think I use one glaze. Let's just say I use one glaze. And I don't buy things that in so many videos people are always buying new glazes and tools and molds and stamps and so much that there's really very little left from the hand of the potter. But she got a special pencil, a ceramic pencil, to do the wings. And I think they're rather expensive too. There was a video, I think, with her going to the store to buy it. But it fits and suits the wings so much, because when you draw the pencil, actually I don't know when those pencils would actually make nice ceramics and pottery other than this. When you drag the pencil across the ceramic bisqueware, it doesn't make a solid line. It has the ups and downs and bumps of the ceramics, but in the bee's wing, it just suits and fits and makes the piece. And the bottom, I will say this is the one place where it does show, okay, an amateur ceramist's glaze. But I think everything else overshadows it. And I think this is new that I've not seen, other than from the hobby world. The special bottoms and the stamps. But then I don't know that that's so unusual, because, okay, in the professional pottery world, making the foot has always meant so much to the piece. So, new way to do it. Something for me to get my head around. You know, there's another package here too. There is another package. Beautiful glaze on the inside. Beautiful glaze on the inside. You can go back and check her videos to see this being made, and the reveal. Oh, okay. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 little parcels in this parcel. This is the best Christmas ever. Oh no. Oh, the cookies. The cookies. Oh, I saw her do these. I saw, look at that. The dot in the dot. The jeweling technique. Dot in dot, the jeweling technique. Oh. Okay. The traditional spiced cookie, made in the wooden molds, or were they ceramic? I'll have to go back and watch the video. Oh, and the rooster. I am Rooster Hill Pottery and the rooster. You know, as simple as they are, these two look better than they did in the video. I don't know how she managed to do that. Oh. Oh, and the snowman from the cabin video. Okay, the snowman from the cabin video. Oh, look at him. Oh, just look at him. To put so much character in such a small piece is no easy feat. No easy feat. Oh, I don't believe it. The bird. I think this goes back to one of her earliest videos. My mother had some cloth birds that were so like this. And I won't say who thought they were just cheap floral. These were birds from the 60s or 50s. Her mother's birds, they were from the 50s. Somebody thought they were toss-away floral, and they're gone. I saw her making this and commented, oh, I don't believe it, the little bird. My mother would really like this. And it really is the bees. It's the bees and their story that make the piece. She got to know bees. She got to understand bees. She knows how important they are. She's visited them. She's visited them in the country. She's visited them in the city. Bee's important to me. Slovenian bee's important. But she knows the Slovenian bees, okay, not the ones to be in her neighborhood. And you know, also though, it's a pot. It's a wavy ball. A wavy ball. It's got the slip trailing. It's got the dots. It's got the bees. So many elements all brought together. All brought together in one piece. Your pieces already were so brought to life. Having them here in my hands adds another dimension to it. I will be going back and watching your videos again. I'll be going back and watching your videos again to see these guys come to life. Okay. And if you will, stop back here and see what's going on in the studio next week.